we are going to be looking at the quadratic equation of the form. Quadratic equation of the form x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. It was said of this question that if it uses alpha and beta as its roots, we should find a new equation using alpha over beta and then beta over alpha. How can we solve this kind of question? From our old equation, we can deduce that alpha plus beta is the same thing as minus b over a, and that implies minus b, our b here is minus 3. That is 3 over a. The coefficient of x squared is 1. That is a. And alpha beta, which is the product of the roots, is given as c over a. It's given as c over a. That can be said 2 over 1, which is 2. So if you want to form a new equation using alpha over beta and beta over alpha, we can have it in this way. Good. We can have it in this way. Alpha over beta plus beta over alpha. This is sum of the roots of the quadratic. Now this will give us alpha square plus beta square over alpha beta. If you find the LCM, and we go. This expression in mathematics also has this identity: x plus beta raised to power 2 minus what? 2 alpha beta over alpha beta. So that's it. For the product of the roots now, we have alpha over beta multiplied by beta over alpha. This gives us alpha beta over alpha beta, which finally gives us 1. So if you follow this, to construct the new equation now we will have this. To construct new equation we will have this. The new equation is given as x squared minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the formula for formation of any quadratic equation. So if you apply this formula to what we have obtained here, this is what we are going to get. X squared minus x, our alpha plus beta now, which is the sum of the roots, landed us is landed us on this. That is, we are going to have here alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta over alpha beta. I'm done with this. Plus alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Alpha beta here, which is the product of the roots. It gives me 1. That's plus 1 equal to 0. If I go back from what I have obtained earlier, from here I said my alpha plus beta here is minus b over a, and that finally gives me my minus b is minus 3, which is 3 over 1. I have this to be what? 3. And alpha beta, which is what? C over A. That gives me 2 over 1. I have 2. If I put this, I will have this at last. X squared minus x into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is what? 3. 3 squared will give me 9. Minus 2 multiplied by alpha beta. Alpha beta will give me 2. All over alpha beta. Alpha beta is 2 plus 1 equal to 0. We want to get our new equation. Now we can clear the fraction by multiplying by 2. I will have 2x squared minus x into this. That is 5. Minus x multiplied by 5 plus what? 2 equal to 0. Finally, I have my equation to be 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So that is all for this. We also have one terrible question as well. I will have been looking for a way to go about it. Let's check the question as well.